Ever felt like your money is just slipping through your fingers? Like you're always broke, no matter how much you earn? Well, you're not alone. But what if there was a tool that could help you take control of your finances, track your spending, and even set aside money for your goals? That's where PocketGuard comes in. Problem statement: managing your finances can be overwhelming. There are so many apps and tools out there, and it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we're here today to show you how to set up PocketGuard, a simple yet powerful app that can help you get your finances in order. Benefits of PocketGuard. Before we dive into the setup process, let's talk about why you should consider using PocketGuard. This app offers a variety of benefits, including easy tracking. PocketGuard automatically syncs with your bank accounts, making it easy to track your income and expenses. Budgeting. You can set budgets for different categories, such as food, housing, and transportation, and track your progress towards your goals. Savings goals. PocketGuard allows you to set savings goals, such as a vacation or a down payment on a house. Debt management. You can track your debts and create a plan to pay them off. Insights and tips. PocketGuard provides insights into your spending habits and offers tips on how to save money. Setting up PocketGuard. Now, let's get started with the setup process. Download the app. The first step is to download the PocketGuard app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Connect your bank accounts. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to connect your bank accounts. This is a simple process that involves entering your bank's login information. Set up your budget. After connecting your bank accounts, you can set up your budget. Start by creating categories for your expenses, such as food, housing, and transportation. Then, assign a budget to each category. Set savings goals. Next, you can set savings goals. This is a great way to stay motivated and on track. Track your progress. Once you've set up your budget and savings goals, you can start tracking your progress. PocketGuard will provide you with insights into your spending habits and offer tips on how to save money. Additional tips. Use the app daily. To get the most out of PocketGuard, it's important to use the app daily. This will help you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions. Customize your settings. PocketGuard offers a variety of customization options, so you can tailor the app to your specific needs. Explore the features. Be sure to explore all of the features that PocketGuard has to offer. There are many tools and resources available to help you manage your finances effectively. PocketGuard is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily set up the app and start tracking your income and expenses. With PocketGuard, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.